Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Samsung Galaxy A24. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click install. And now click open. Now you can skip this introduction and now click open permissions, and you have to allow this app to appear on top, and then you can click back, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget. You can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.